Optimal diet choices for blood group O individuals. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Embarking on the blood group O diet begins with grasping its foundation. It's tailored to the unique digestive and immune system needs of those with type O blood, emphasizing foods that promote optimal health and energy levels for this group. Meat stands out as a pivotal element in the blood group O diet. Due to the high stomach acid levels typical of type O individuals, digesting meat is more efficient, providing essential proteins that support metabolic functions and physical vigor. The emphasis on high-protein diets for blood type O individuals cannot be overstated. Protein serves as the cornerstone of their energy and health, facilitating muscle repair, hormone production, and a robust immune system, all vital for their well-being. Seafood selections offer a treasure trove of nutrients for blood group O. From omega-3 rich fish to iodine-packed shellfish, these aquatic options enhance cardiovascular health and thyroid function, making them an indispensable part of the diet. Navigating the world of vegetables reveals a spectrum of benefits for blood type O. While most are beneficial, focusing on those that reduce inflammation and aid digestion can significantly impact the overall health and vitality of individuals with this blood type. Leafy greens are indispensable in the diet of individuals with blood type O. Rich in essential nutrients and fiber, they facilitate efficient digestion and boost energy levels. Incorporating kale, spinach, and Swiss chard can significantly enhance overall health and wellness. The blood type O diet greatly benefits from the inclusion of a variety of fruits. Fruits like plums, figs, and cherries offer antioxidants and vitamins crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. However, it's important to consume them in moderation to balance sugar intake. For those with blood type O, reducing grain consumption can lead to better health outcomes. Grains, especially ones containing gluten, may hinder digestive processes and contribute to inflammation. Opting for gluten-free grains in small quantities can help mitigate these effects. Dairy products often don't sit well with individuals of blood type O, leading to bloating and digestive issues. Embracing alternatives such as almond or coconut milk can provide necessary calcium and vitamins without the adverse effects associated with traditional dairy. Nuts and seeds emerge as excellent snack options for blood type O individuals. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds not only satisfy hunger, but also supply valuable nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for heart health and reducing inflammation. Exploring legume options for blood type O individuals presents an intriguing dietary adventure. While some legumes can be beneficial, others might not sit well with this blood group. It's essential to select varieties that complement the body's natural digestive capabilities, focusing on those that enhance metabolic efficiency without causing discomfort. The significance of avoiding certain foods for blood type O cannot be overstressed. This blood group may experience adverse reactions to specific food items that are otherwise considered healthy. Identifying and eliminating these foods is crucial for maintaining optimal health and preventing inflammatory responses. Eggs offer a versatile protein source for blood group O, fitting seamlessly into various meals. Their adaptability makes them an invaluable component of the diet, providing essential nutrients while supporting muscle maintenance and overall health. Plus, their preparation versatility keeps the diet interesting. The pros and cons of red meat for blood type O hinge on balance. While red meat is a protein-rich food that supports vigorous physical health for this group, moderation is key. Overindulgence can lead to health issues, making it important to consume it in a balanced manner. Poultry choices for blood group O require thoughtful consideration. While certain poultry, like chicken and turkey, can be beneficial, it's important to prepare them properly and avoid processed versions. Opting for organic, hormone-free options ensures that the benefits are maximized without introducing harmful additives into the diet. The role of oils and fats in the diet of someone with blood group O cannot be overstated. Selecting the right types, such as olive oil or coconut oil, can enhance metabolic efficiency and provide essential fatty acids, crucial for maintaining optimal health and managing weight effectively. Spices and seasonings have the power to transform a simple meal into a culinary delight, especially for blood type O. Incorporating turmeric, ginger, and cayenne pepper can not only elevate the flavor of dishes, but also offer anti-inflammatory benefits, making meals both delicious and nutritious. Herbal teas and specific beverages stand out as beneficial for individuals with blood type O. Green tea, for instance, is packed with antioxidants that support overall well-being. It's a soothing, hydrating option that aligns with the dietary needs of this blood group, promoting digestion and stress relief. Superfoods are a cornerstone of nutrition for those with blood type O. Foods like kale, blueberries, and walnuts are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporating these into the diet can boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and support the unique health requirements of blood group O individuals. The connection between blood type O and gluten sensitivity is intriguing. Individuals with this blood group may experience improved well-being by reducing or eliminating gluten from their diets. The focus on gluten-free grains and alternatives can lead to enhanced digestive health. Managing sweet cravings can be challenging for blood type O individuals. Opting for natural sweeteners and fruits that are compatible with their blood group can satisfy these cravings without compromising health. This approach ensures that indulgence is both safe and enjoyable. The importance of organic foods in a blood type O diet cannot be overstated. These individuals may benefit significantly from consuming foods free from pesticides and chemicals. Organic foods support the body's natural functions and contribute to overall health and vitality. Blood type O and the paleo diet share a natural compatibility. This diet emphasizes meats, vegetables, and fruits, mirroring the optimal food choices for blood type O. The paleo diet's focus on whole foods aligns well with the nutritional needs of these individuals. Fermented foods offer significant benefits for blood group O digestion. Including foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha in the diet can enhance gut health. The probiotics in fermented foods aid in digestion and support a healthy immune system for blood type O individuals. Starting your day with a breakfast tailored to the blood group O diet can invigorate and prepare you for the day ahead. Opt for high-protein foods like eggs or a smoothie with whey protein to fuel your morning activities efficiently. Crafting nutritious lunches for blood group O doesn't have to be complicated. A simple salad with leafy greens, topped with grilled chicken or fish, offers a perfect mix of protein and vitamins to sustain energy levels throughout the afternoon. Dinner for those on the blood group O diet can be both delicious and healthy. Consider a lean steak or roasted salmon paired with a side of steamed vegetables. This combination supports muscle repair and offers essential nutrients for overnight recovery. Snacks and treats for blood group O individuals can be both satisfying and beneficial. Almonds or a piece of fruit can curb hunger pangs without compromising dietary guidelines. These snacks provide a quick energy boost and nutritional benefits. Embracing a blood group O diet unlocks the potential for optimal health. By focusing on foods that align with your blood type, you can enhance digestion, increase energy levels, and improve overall well-being. It's a personalized approach to nutrition that can yield significant benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.